What is zikr? And what is fikr? الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض. Two words in the same verse, same ayah. Zikr and fikr. What is zikr? Istihzarullah fil qalb. Keeping Allah present in your heart. This is zikr. Istihzarullah fil qalb. Keep Allah present in your heart. What is fikr? You have before you two realities. Infer from them the third one. Deduce the third one. This is fikr. Logic. The deductive logic. A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Hence, A is equal to C. This is logic. This is fikr. You have the premises before you. You infer and argue from the premises and you reach a third conclusion. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Therefore, A is equal to C. This is fikr. Smallest, earliest form of fikr. And what is zikr? Keep Allah present in your heart. What we usually call zikr is the means of zikr. You go on saying Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. This is not zikr. This is the means to zikr. So that you have Allah in your heart. If you are repeating Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, and you are thinking something else, your thoughts are, wandering to east or west or to north or south, to home and to family and to your business and to such and such thing. There is no zikr at all.